A health and safety management system is a process put in place by an employer. The purpose of this system is to minimize the risk of injuries and illnesses at the workplace. Let's see how it minimizes the risk of injuries and illnesses. To minimize the injuries and illnesses, first you need to identify the hazards that might cause injuries or illnesses. After identifying all the possible hazards, you need to evaluate and analyze hazards that might lead to injuries and illnesses. And now, after evaluation and analysis, you have a clear idea about hazards in your workplace. Finally, you can take the necessary actions to control and minimize the risks to workers in workplace. This is how health and safety management system minimizes the hazards. So let's see what is a safety policy. A health and safety policy is a written statement by an employer. This written statement states that the company is committed to protect the health and safety of their employees and public. In other words, it is like a promise in documented form by management to its employees regarding the health and safety. It shows that the management cares about the health and safety of its employees. A safety and health policy displays the general approach and commitment towards health and safety in the workplace. Safety policy explains how an employer will manage health and safety in a company. It allocates roles and responsibilities that are related to the safety and health. A safety policy gives clear statement to employees what they need to do, when, where and how it should be done. Is it mandatory to have a safety policy? As per the law, every business must have a policy for managing health and safety. If you have 5 or more employees, it is mandatory for your company to have a safety policy. If you have fewer than 5 employees, you do not have to write anything down, but it is useful to have a safety policy. Employer or manager must share the policy to your employees. Make sure that the safety policy is easily available, and if there are any new changes in it, you must share the updated policy with employees. The legal requirement to write a policy is included in the Health and Safety Work Act. The management of health and safety at work regulations explains the steps you must take to manage health and safety. So, why health and safety policy is made? The policy is made to show the commitment towards health and safety. Policy showcases all the legal requirements. It provides motivation to employees, makes employees realize that management cares about their safety. It is made to show the benchmark with the similar industries. It displays where the company ranks in terms of employee safety and health. This will boost company reputation. The policy is made to set an objective and achieve the aim of an organization. So let's see how to write a safety policy. Your policy should cover three areas. They are statement of intent, responsibilities for health and safety, and arrangements for health and safety. In part 1, statement of intent. It states the general policy on health and safety at work. This includes your aims and commitment towards how you manage health and safety. The employer or most senior person in the company should sign it and review it regularly. In part 2, responsibilities for health and safety. This includes a list of names, positions, and roles of the people in your business for health and safety. In part 3, arrangements for health and safety. It gives details for the practical arrangement you have in place. This could include, for example, doing a risk assessment, training employees, and using safety signs or equipment. Safety policy might also include details like an overall statement declaring the director's commitment to health and safety. Also, the commitment to provide adequate resources like personal protective equipment, first aid kits, emergency contact numbers, etc. Safety policy might include the process of how company will prevent accidents and work-related illnesses to provide all the details about what are the risks in their work activities with the help of risk assessment. It might include employee training. Safety policy might include use of administrative controls, hazard isolation, locking, warnings, signs and symbols marking hazards, etc. This makes the employees aware of hazards around them, thus reduces the number of accidents in the workplace. If hazardous materials are replaced with less harmful alternatives, this should be included in the policy. Safety policy might also include improved lighting and working environment, prevention of slip and fall incidents, etc. First aid arrangements, and how accidents are investigated after being reported them to Safety Management Authority, and so on, are included in the safety policy. You can use links in the description for PDFs on example of health and safety policy statement and policy statement template and for further readings.